Hey, it's Bob Hoganson here with Martin County Television. I wanted to show you a great resource offered by the Florida Department of Health in relationship to COVID-19 cases in the state of Florida. There's a dashboard here called Florida's COVID-19 Data and Surveillance Dashboard. You've probably seen this on TV or in other media outlets online, showing you how you can look up cases in Florida. To get to this page, simple enough, you actually start at floridahealthcovid19.gov. This is the dedicated website to the health department's page on COVID-19. Lots of information on this page. But if you scroll all the way down, there's a button here that says See Dashboard. You click on that, and this is what pops up. Very simple, easy, intuitive website to use. The main home page here just shows all the total cases in Florida. You have the states the counties here you can actually click on individually and get the information that you need. And also over here, you'll see that it's all alphabetized for every county in the state, and you can click on that and get this same information. Down here at the bottom of the page, there's a couple tabs that are worth noting. If you click on Florida Testing, that will show you what's happening in the entire state. If you go over here to click on Florida Counties, the next tab over, this is going to give you individual county information. So Martin County's popped up right now, and as of this recording, here are the numbers in Martin County. You want to look at Palm Beach County, for instance. Those numbers will change, and now this is all accurate to the current time in Palm Beach County. Also, the next tab over, down at the bottom, USA and World, and you can get some information there. There's a lot of great information and statistics and data right here at your fingertips on the COVID-19 Data and Surveillance Dashboard. This website is updated twice a day at 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. So if you go on shortly after that, you should be able to find the updated numbers for the day. Again, the starting place for this would be at the dashboard tab at floridahealthcovid19.gov. I'm Bob Hoganson. Thanks for watching.